One.
Ay, bomba! Bomba!
Ay, Bombs! Ganda ka dito!
Si Bombo, kasi ikaw ulit ikawan. Si Bombo to. Ay, dapat ako ka sa... Ako mag-ano. Ikaw na lang.
Iba nga to.
Dito sabi si Bubo.
Bombo!
Kulang. Sakto ba? Ilan mo na ilan kayo?
Ilan mo na yung mga
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sino na dito? Ay, Bobo, tsaka na!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Huwag mo hawakan.
Ayan! Wala ka!
One.
Dito kayo man! Ayan ako wala. Si Ayla Walden!
Dati, nakapila sa to.
No. Dalawa po kayo.
Nasa si Mama Pen, doon kayo.
Tawing ano to, may camera din to tawing nga. Para lang ano, back up natin.
Okay ha! Si Marisol today! Huwag niyong itatouch yung mga at the same time. Uy, sakto na kami! Sali lang! I'm over the phone!
Lahat ng phone, ilagay dito. Ilagay dito lahat ng phone. Lahat ng phone.
Saan sa keyboard namin? Ay, dito! Eko!
Correct the phone. Put the phone here. Take on all the phone. Kapag may nakita akong phone, disqualify. Disqualify. Kung may phone, disqualify. Hey! Let's collect the phone.
Hindi mo na.
Oh, bili-bili mo.
Sa ibalang to. Lahat ng to. Baba! Para ka sa akin. Tara na yung wala. Lahat ng to. Para, where are you?
Ilan kayo?
Para, your team is waiting.
Bilangan mo na kasi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Ilan kami?
Kayo. 11 yung sa group 1. 1, 2.
Ano kasama yung master, guys? Sorry.
11. Ikaw na ako na lang mag-out. Isunay na.
She wants it. She wants
The phone is collected. They collected the phone. You get your phone.
Kasali siya kasi ano.
Why?
Get the phone. Kasama siya rin.
Collected. They collected the phone.
Just sit down there. Just go to your team. Ikaw, Ben.
That's your team.
One.
Here. Paula.
Right. Team 1. Okay.
You're the leader.
You're the leader.
You're the leader.
You're our leader.
Guys.
The mechanics of the game, whatever color I banggit, I say or announce, don't touch it. Okay, whenever you pick, you have to touch the first one and not click. And use one hand, okay? And then you're not allowed to repeat the same color.
Practice mo
Okay?
lang.
Practice. It's available when you learn at Angel. 1, 2, 3, pink, red, green, blue, yellow, violet, green, violet.
Wala na akong mabanggit.
Ulitin mo yung color.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, green, blue, red, pink, yellow, violet.
Kung ano yung
Ah,
pagkain mo,
guys,
yung pipindutin nila.
Since it's easy for you, you will have to, oh my God, my nose is bleeding. You have to touch the color of whatever I say. You have to,
Oo, mas mahirap yan.
when I say pink, you have to touch pink. Hindi, kasi naano na yung utak nila eh.
Sige, mamaya. Pag hindi pa, meron akong idea. Sige.
Oh, sige, go. 1, 2, 3, pink, yellow, red, blue, violet, pink, red, yellow, blue, green, red, pink. Oh, wala talaga eh.
Pag may binanggit si Ate Ann na wala dyan, taas kamay.
Ah, okay, sige.
Pero balik tayo sa hindi same.
Oh, okay. We're gonna go back to the original, but then, when I say, for example, when I say
White.
orange, this is yellow, huh? When I say orange, you have to raise your hand, because there's no orange.
No tapping.
Okay.
like this, like this.
Or when I say magenta, oh, don't. Oh, ganon. This is red, violet, pink, yellow, blue, and green. It's the only color that you guys have. When I say it, for example, I say orange, you have to raise your hand.
Sabi mong purple, wala din.
When I say purple, this is not purple, this is violet. Don't mind me. Just raise your hand.
Purple ah.
Oo, kanina. Hayaan mo na. Ang hirap eh. Wala na akong voice.
Madaling ang banggitin ng
Oh.
violet eh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, red. Don't touch the color again. We're gonna go back to don't touch the color. Okay. 1, 2, 3, red, pink, yellow, orange. Oh, ganon. Ganon. Very good. Very good. Mag-tap kayo pareho. Don't tap. Practice. Oh, practice. Okay. 1, 2, 3, green, pink, yellow, purple. Oh, mali. Walang purple. There's no purple.
Okay, next.
There's no purple. No, it's violet. Diba?
Tanggal silang dalawa.
Next.
Next, Mami Babe.
Next. You sit down there, darling. We're out. I'll rematch.
Pag wala
Sit down there.
huwag ka magtatapos.
Ganun ba rin?
Ganun mo lang.
Oh, pag sinabi ko, ito yung kulay lang ha. Yellow, pink, blue, green, red, violet.
Huwag na, pag sa amin din na.
Pag hindi nag-work, yung 1, 2, 3, orange! Oh, walang orange dyan. Oh, sige. 1, 2, 3, pink, blue, red, violet, pink, blue, orange. Oh, walang orange. Sorry, ako yun. Green, red, blue, violet, yellow, pink, blue, red, violet, pink, red, pink, pink. Oh. Yellow, red, blue, green, violet, pink, blue, Blue, violet, red, green, yellow, red, red, violet, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, yellow, orange.
Alam ko, hindi pa bibig.
Orange. Kasi hindi kayo maalis eh. Paano maalis?
Yan.
1, 2, 3, blue, pink, red, violet, yellow. Oh, violet. Oh my God! Tito Vic, Joshua, pag wala kang binigay na color, raise your hand po. Tito Vic, Joshua, green, red, blue, violet, red, red, blue, green, pink, yellow. Ay, tanggal si Lutang.
Ano na?
Wala ba? 1, 2, 3, yellow, pink, pink, blue, yellow, orange. Orange! Yan, nakatouch na kayo eh. Nakatouch na kayo pareho.
Hala! Ano lang, lawa pa rin ako. Ano mo?
Ngayon! 1, 2, 3, yellow, green, pink, blue, red, red, violet, green, pink, yellow, blue, red, green, orange. Wait lang tayo ni Gawin. 1, 2, June, Iron. Go, Iron. June, Iron. 1, 2, 3, orange. Oh, ang galing, ang galing. 1, 2, 3, violet. Purple.
Ito, Vietnam.
Green, red, yellow, purple.
Hindi, nakaganyan ako eh.
Ito dapat kahit na, dapat magkakasin ka na. Wala akong magdaas, kahit naman hindi tasi, dapat
1,
magdaas.
2, 3, yellow,